Hey everyone, it's Randy Dawn and a marathon coach. Still up here in Petoskey, Michigan at Hearthside Grove Luxury RV Resort. And we got to thinking, as you can see, we have our masks on. Yes. We just wanted to clarify that Marathon truly believes in keeping everyone safe and that we respect everyone's personal space and how they want to handle this COVID issue. So we just wanted to give you a little insight as to how we take care of things as we do with people coming up and wanting to explore the coaches and what we take care of after they're gone.
Yeah. So we want everyone to still come up to Hearthside. It's still wonderful up here. The weather's been good. A few storms this weekend, but we survived those.
Yeah.
But we want you to know that you can still come up here. There's lots available. We'll have 3 coaches up here. We have a new coach rolling in today. 13-19's rolling in. So we're excited about that. And we've got a few pre-owned here. So don't let COVID keep you home.
No.
Come and see us. Like you said, we've got 3 coaches. So we normally don't let more than one party in at a time. So we'll just show you some of the things that we do to keep everyone safe.
This is the sign you'll see as you enter into the coach. I think we've checked all the boxes.
All right, everyone, here inside the coach, one other thing that we do, as you can see, we have a little, you could call it COVID station right here. We have hand sanitizer, which we use, when people come and go. We have the Clorox that after every visit or party that comes in, we wipe down the critical areas, the handles and so forth. A lot of times people are very cautious and say, we won't open it, and sometimes we open doors and cupboards for them so that they don't have to touch anything. So, very cautious about that. And then we also have the mask. So in case someone comes and they don't have mask, we have masks of them. So this is kind of our COVID sanitation station, you could say. So try to take every precaution we can. Right now we're in coach 1201, quad slide. It's a one-owner coach. It's a 2012, 97,000 miles. Great coach. Dawn and I have been in it for a little while. And we really enjoy this coach. There's a lot of space in it, very roomy. We've driven it from Florida, so it's a great coach. So if you have any questions on any of the inventory we have, feel free to reach out to either of us or any of the other sales people at Marathon Coach. And keep watching Randy Dawn and a Marathon Coach.